This is a review of the Teayona variety pack. There are 6 varieties of whole leaf tea in this set. The brand sent this to me so that I can do a review, and I am so glad that they did because their Jasmine Phoenix Pearls green tea is one of the best ones that I have ever had. All of these also show, the caffeine level content. And then on the back, they show the ingredients. And then they come in a pyramid type sachet. It's also got the recommended temperature and steep time on the back. So it is really, really nice that they have everything included on each packet. And so the 6 flavors in here are the Jasmine Phoenix Pearls Green Tea. There's also Lapsang Souchong Black Tea, Yunnan Golden Tips Black Tea, Silver Needle White Tea, Gaba Oolong Tea, and Wuyi Mountain Da Hong Pao Oolong Tea. And so there is, again, 6 varieties of each, and there's 5 sachets of each in this variety pack, and I totally recommend it for anyone who is experimenting with different flavors of tea. They have really good tasting whole leaf tea.